Hello guys, today we learn 1 to 30 number spellings. So start now. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIRTEN 13, FOURTEN 14, FIFTEN 15, SIXTEN 16, SEVEN 17, EIGHTEN 18, NINETEN 19, TWENTY 20. Now 21 to 30. TWENTY 20, ONE1 21, TWENTY 20, TWO2 22, TWENTY 20, THREE3 23, TWENTY 20, FOUR 4 24, TWENTY 20, FIVE 5 25, TWENTY 20, SIX 6 26, TWENTY 20, SEVEN 7 27, TWENTY 20, EIGHT 8 28, TWENTY 20, NINE 9 29, THIRTY 30 30. So this is completed 1 to 30 with spellings reading. 21, if you writing 21, only capital letters, starting first letter only capital, remaining all small. ONE1, TWO2, something this like, all small, only capital, first letter only. You write first letter only capital. So this is the method to write and read. I hope you like this reading and writing.